Do you still need more time to file your tax return? Well, today we're going to go over how to file a tax extension online. Hi, everybody. My name is Angelica Robinson, and welcome to the Emerging Youth channel. I am an enrolled agent, but I am not your enrolled agent. So please go ahead and review the disclaimer. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into it. Tax season is wrapping up. So tax day is April 15th. We're going to go ahead and go over how to file the tax extension before April 15th. What is a tax extension? A tax extension gives you 6 additional months to file your return, but it does not extend the time that you have to pay for any amount that is due. So let me repeat that. If you have an amount due and you know you're going to owe, that amount is still due by the end of April 15th to avoid any penalties. Who should file a tax extension? If you are waiting for corrected tax forms, you have to wait to file your return. If you need more time organizing your tax info, we know it's hard to stay organized throughout the year, especially if you are busy running a business. So if you need more time to get your documents in order, to get your profit and loss statement together, and all that good stuff, now is the time to file your extension without the stress so that you have 6 additional months to gather all of this information and to avoid a penalty for not filing on time. Now we are going to walk through how you can file a tax extension online. All right, everybody. So this is the irs.gov website. You're going to go to irs.gov, and then once you get to this homepage, you're going to scroll down. You're going to go to IRS file or IRS free file. So let's click try IRS free file. And then you will see IRS free file, do your taxes for free. I'm going to have you scroll down and you're going to go to use fillable forms. Once you get here, you are going to start the free file fillable forms. So click that. All right, and now you're going to see the IRS free file page. Select Start Free File Fillable Forms. And now it's going to have you create an account. So you're going to go through, fill out your email address, create a user ID, your phone number, and a password. Once you do that, it's going to ask you to confirm your email and confirm your phone number. All right, so once you are in, it's going to take you directly to this right here, where you see the 1040 fillable form. You're not filing that form. Since you are filing an extension, you're going to go to the top left-hand corner where it says File Extension. Select that. Now it's going to prompt you to put all of this, your personal information in. So your name, your address, your social, your estimated tax liability, the balance due. Then, once you have Form 4868 filled out, you're going to go to step 2, e-file your extension form. It's going to have you verify your identity by filling out the last year's AGI or even the PIN from last year. Once you fill out your personal information, it's going to ask you if you want to pay your balance due by check or by direct debit. So you'll fill out your account, your routing number, or whatnot. And then you're going to select I agree to pay by electronically or by check. And then you need to continue to e-file. When you e-file, after everything has gone through, you will receive an email confirmation. Once you have that confirmation, then you know you have that extra 6 months to file your return. Deadline for filing tax day is April 15th. The IRS expects you to either have your tax return filed by the end of April 15th or a tax extension needs to be filed before April 15th to avoid any penalties. Pay estimated taxes. Again, if you have an amount that is still owed by April 15th to avoid any penalties. If you can't pay the payment in full, be sure that you are getting on a payment plan if you qualify to make payments. But either way, that amount is due on April 15th, or you need to be set up on a payment plan. You can use the irs.gov website and make a direct payment, or even mail in a check or money order. Common mistakes to avoid: double check your return before you file. Make sure you have all of your documents and make sure you are not missing anything. Double check typos, especially your personal information, and make sure all of that is inputted correctly. And remember, an extension only gives you 6 months to file. That's 6 additional months to file. It does not extend the date to pay a balance due. Once you file your extension, you're going to receive a confirmation. Once you receive that confirmation, you need to know that your next due date is going to be October 15th. Okay, so that means once you file that tax extension, your new due date is to file your return by the end of October 15th. All right, you guys, so that wraps up this video. If you find it helpful, be sure to like, share with somebody who you know needs that extra 6 months to get their documents in order, and subscribe for more tax and financial tips. Until next time.